I think I just got kicked out of my second restaurant. Yo, that's dinner, y'all. That's dinner right here. Look at this, y'all. Look at this right here. Can y'all see that? Look at this. Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. About to go in this airport, man. We're going to the islands. All right, y'all. We're here in Curacao. I just cleared customs and I am very happy. It feels like it's about 85 degrees. It's very humid. I gotta get this sweater off. When I landed in Curacao, I caught a cab to the hotel. The cab was $60 for the cab ride. We pulled up to the hotel after it stopped raining. A really beautiful place. The lobby was nice. The whole surroundings were beautiful. But I got hungry, man. I went to the supermarket real quick and got a snack. Thought I'd go down to the beach and enjoy my snack while I was waiting for my hotel room to be ready. Real beautiful beach, man. Jan Thiel Beach. Some type of restaurant that was here. All right, y'all. This is what it is, man. I'm gonna see if I could just sit here and chill, yo, at one of these tables out here. All right, we're gonna go over here. Got my San Pellegrino. I got me some olives. I'm roughing it, y'all. I'm roughing it. And I got these meats here, man. What they call it? Freschetta? Freschetta? Something like that? I don't know. That's ham? What y'all say? That's ham? I think it's ham, man. I think that's ham. This one here looks like salami, right? I'm about to fatten that ham. It's smoked. And they got these little things right here. We gonna act like they're French fries, but they not. If y'all didn't know, I love olives. I can eat olives all day. All right, y'all, I gotta go. They said they can't. I was eating here. I didn't buy it from here, though. So I think I just got kicked out of my second restaurant. Y'all look sad. I almost ate all the food, though. It's a done deal, you know? All right, on to the next one. We're gonna go check into the hotel. Yo, we on the buggy, right? This the hotel buggy. Yeah. And we're about to go to our room, man. I was like, I never had to take a hotel buggy. It's about 15 miles away. It's not 15 miles from the hotel. All right, let's go. Oh, it's not far. They said there was another pool down there. Yeah, we're showing them the adventure. Walked in the room, y'all. First thing on the left is the bathroom. Right there. Coming nice, hardwood doors. And oh, you can actually sleep 3 in here. Check it out. I need the Wi-Fi. Got little closets here with a safe in it. Got a table with water and tea. I don't know if that comes included. Oh, what is that? Is this a Keurig? It looks like a Keurig, y'all. Espresso. Oh, yeah. I want some of that now. I need some espresso in my life. Oh, and there's a little patio. There's a ocean view. Pretty cool, man. Check it out. Patio back here right over the pool. Okay. I'm gonna see how long I could keep this one. Then I went to get a rental car and saw this iguana just walking on the road. They're everywhere. That joker just jumped right up there in the bushes. Then I got on the road to go out with the new rental car, and Curacao is really beautiful and interesting country. McDonald's they got, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're definitely gonna go by Kentucky Fried Chicken. But today I went out to a beach called Santa Cruz, Playa Santa Cruz. Check it out. Yo, they got some guys over here that just caught some fish and they cutting it up, man. And I was asking them about like a barbecue, man. Check it out. Evidently, there were a group of guys who went fishing, and I think they paid these guys to clean their fish for them. That's the good stuff.
BBQ.
Yeah. Then I thought I'd go get something to eat, man. I wanted some seafood, but this guy didn't have any seafood. So I went for the chicken. Alright, y'all, it's coming along. We made it fresh from scratch. We killed the chicken out back. What's the name? What's the name of your truck?
Yes, it's BBQ Blast.
Barbecue Bless?
Yeah,
oh, yeah? And
Playa Santa Cruz.
You here every day?
Yeah, I try to come every day.
Okay, y'all gotta come check them out, man, when y'all come out here. Definitely. He said he don't have it prepared ahead of time. He has to cook it. So that was beautiful. Beautiful. While I waited for my food, I decided to take my drone up. This beach is absolutely beautiful. Yep. Got that Fanta, y'all.
Ketchup and mayonnaise.
Yes, that'll work both. Here we go, y'all. We gotta walk it over here to this picnic table on the beach. I'm excited because I'm really hungry. I was out there swimming, right? I was out there swimming. All of the picnic tables with the little house is taken. So we just gonna go right over here, man. We're gonna go right over here. Now, I thought he was cooking the chicken kind of long, but it really looks good, man, right? Look at this. He know what he's doing. I thought it would be tough because he had it on the grill, but it took about 25 minutes, and he told me it would take 25 minutes. Oh yeah, that is not tough, and it's juicy too. I wanted seafood. He said the fishermen aren't catching any fish, because they usually take the fish right from the ocean to the truck, man, and cook it. The fries are nice and hot. He was making everything fresh. I got ketchup and mayonnaise on top. He told me to bring the money back. As y'all can hear, there's dogs out here. There's people out here. I went snorkeling earlier, man. Check that footage out. There's coconuts above me. I hope the coconuts don't fall on my head. I don't know if y'all hear that squeaking, but that's the tree swinging from side to side, and it's kind of moving this whole table just a little bit. All right, y'all, this is really good. I'm about to sign off and sit here and enjoy my meal. I might go take another dip. I'm not 100% sure yet. But either way, we'll see you guys at the next one, wherever that is. South of the island, west of the island, east, north. See you at the next one. Stay tuned for the next episode where I change hotels, man, to this beautiful spot in Mangrove Beach. And then I go downtown Willemstad to check out the sights there and go to a spot where the locals eat. Oh my goodness, it looks delicioso.